Hello, y'all, and good morning. Um, this is actually an update to the Helping Hands soldering station. The reason why I'm having to do an update is because in pondering several items that I described as scrap are truly not scrap unless I point to them otherwise. This is a PVC pipe scrap. I had it. It was not from a previous project. This PVC pipe is purely scrap. It's not even rated for water use. It was part of a decorative item, and in doing so, I cut it down. The wall is too thin to be used for water. This scrap piece of metal is truly not scrap. It was something that was thrown out by a neighbor of mine that goes out and cleans out businesses. This piece of metal is actually machined with inset mounting locations for screws. This piece of metal here, believe it or not, it was actually part of a display, a store display. So there was a PCB board mounted to this piece of metal that would show. You can literally see that this location here was where it was mounted to the store display, and in the center was a computer board that was used to either control lights or something of that nature for a store display. I removed the PC board, and the lights are still inserted to the store display. Okay, moving on. This is a purchased piece of, I believe, 6 or 5 foot piece of copper tubing, along with the bulk copper caps. Bulk purchase because it's a better deal. Okay, this item here is not a scrap piece of galvanized aluminum. This was part of a roll that I had purchased because I am also familiar with plumbing. This is used to strap down PVC piping inside a wall for home or commercial use.